Hello everyone, welcome to d.artflair. On 23rd of March, it's International Day of Happiness and first day of spring both together. So I thought to combine them both in hand lettered way. You can use any two words to combine this way. To begin with, I'm using washi tape. It's about 1 inch. Then started with writing the word happiness first in a very normal way with pink Tombow dual brush pen. You can also use any sketch pen. After writing happiness, we'll draw shadow. So let's see how to draw shadow on alphabets. So the simple trick is to draw the shadow opposite to the sunlight. If sun is on the right, shadow will be on the left. And if the sun is on the left, then the shadow will be on the right. So now I am drawing the shadow with the purple color, assuming that sunlight is coming from the right. Here I also made some thin borders on the left side with green color. Then remove the washi tape, adding the second word, which is spring. I used pentel pen. You can use any thin pen you have. Lastly, I am also shadowing the down strokes with pink pen. So now can you tell me the 5 places where I missed the shadow? So here I am done. Here's one more which I made with gouache, which I will cover in my upcoming video. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye.